makamano. Bende Ogai mar doho Martha Koome koro kwayo oganda jokenya mondo mi onenie kinde mabende gichwalo ng'ur margi e yor kwe maonge tulo moramora kata kuo moramora mabende oneno e kinde ng'anyo. Bende okwayo bila e pacho kae mondo neni opogo e kinda jong'anyo mabende ng'anyo mamuola kod jonjore mabende osewuok e kwalo mwandu jokenya.
You are coming in office at a time when our country and our democratic fabric have come under strain through waves of public protests. The delicate balance must be maintained between constitutional rights to peaceful assembly and protests. Members of the public must exercise their right to protest peacefully without carrying arms, looting or vandalism of public infrastructure such as government buildings, court infrastructure is very painful. The police must respond with restraint, proportionality and strict adherence to human rights standards, avoiding actions that could cause unnecessary harm